In this video, I will show you how to configure the settings of GDPR Cookie Consent plugin. After you have installed the plugin, click on Cookie Settings. Here you can see the different tabs through which you can customize your cookie notice. Under General tab, select the type of cookie bar, as per your usage. You can customize the cookie bar heading and message as per your preference. The About Cookies message will be visible to website visitors when they click on the Cookie Settings button. Enter the other details and click on Update. Click on the Show Again tab if you want to show an option to change consent. Click on the Others tab to check the other setting options. You can turn on Enable Consent Logging to save logs of the user consent. Auto Hide. If enabled, cookie bar will be automatically hidden after specified time. Auto Scroll. Enabling this will automatically hide the cookie bar after the visitor scrolls the web page. Consent will be accepted as yes. In the Design tab, you can customize the cookie bar design. You can also select from the list of pre-designed templates. In the Buttons tab, you can customize all the buttons like Accept, Decline, Settings, Read More, etc. From the Cookie List tab, you can automatically scan your website for cookies and add them to the plugin. You can also choose to add them manually from the Custom Cookies section. In the Script Blocker tab, you can enable or disable a script blocker. Under the Advanced section, you can update the category of each third-party script. Refer to our Help section at the top right of the screen to learn more about the cookie settings configuration.